Okay, guys, you are going to be completing the Label That Chick worksheet today. I thought I'd go over the parts with you real quick so that it's a little easier for you to complete. Now remember, as we're looking for the word, we can always think about that first sound in the word as we're looking. So right up here on top of his head, that is actually, we're going to say his feathers. What's the first sound in feathers? Ooh, you're right. Ooh, this part right here, what is that? His beak. What's the first sound in beak? You're right. B. Ooh, right here, what's this part? The wing. What's the first sound in wing? You're right. W. Ooh, and here is his leg. What's the first sound in leg? L. Ooh, down here is the egg. We hear egg. Ooh, and then this box up here is actually pointing to this whole thing, which is called the chick. What's that digraph we hear at the beginning of chick? You're right. Ch. Boys and girls, label that chick. Ooh, send me a picture if you can. Bye.